Hey, what's up, traders? So in this video, I have a great example for you of how to trade double tops and false breakouts. So essentially a pullback on a double top. So take some notes. This is going to be a great video for you, no matter if you're beginner, intermediate, advanced. So check it out. Stay tuned, and let's get right into the chart. So let me share my screen with you. And so I've been trading NZD USD all week here, and this is one of my favorite setups. Is just a good old-fashioned double top, but there's so many different things going on in this chart. I felt like I had to shoot a video on it. So you can see this is just a textbook double top here, and you can see we've pulled back all the way to the neckline, right? So, but even beyond that, if we zoom out onto the daily chart here, you can see this nice false breakout that we're trading, right? So, and I teach this in my training about false breakouts, false breakdowns, how to trade them, and finding a good strategy around that. So you can see we had a false breakout of this trend, which turns out to be the double top, okay? So we have the double top here, and even further than that, you can see these fractal points, fractal, fractal, fractal. We broke down, and we, on the pullback of the double top, we're also retesting this line, which was the previous trend line. So if I zoom in here, you can see, I can go to the 4 hour, or in the daily. This is too large of a trend line to see it, but you can see, let me get my face out of the way. This is the pullback, the retest, and then just capped here on the resistance. So now, if I zoom in to the actual double top itself, we go across, we look left. This is a strategy I teach my funding students. You know, the importance of being aware of what's going on in the market, seeing these levels. So you can see this is a rather significant level, which gains significance the further we get to the price action here. So here we are, and this is what happened today, right? So we had this night, like NZD got some really strong strength coming out of the market, but we're Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you like this video. Doing a $100 giveaway for everybody that likes, comments, and is subscribed to our channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered in the drawing. Enjoy the video. Influence of resistance is here. This is also where we pulled back into this level, which is our signal to get short here. So just to tie this all together as well, I always like to see, for reference, where we are on a Fibonacci chart, and wow, what do you know, right? So we're right at the 61.8, so we didn't quite make it there, and you know, as a matter of fact, we're just getting pulled, getting capped off by this 50% retracement. So if I zoom in, here we are on the 4 hour, you can see this wick right here was the rejection itself. So this wick is the false breakout of the resistance. We really tried to break out here, couldn't make it happen, and then this is what we got going into Asian session tonight. So if we can stay above this level, I think we have some employment data out of Australia, which could affect New Zealand, but as long as we stay below this level, this should be a pretty great setup. So you can see the rejection on the hourly here. And this is where I would kind of tie it in, start to use trend lines, right? And if we break below this trend line, it's going to be all she wrote. And so where are we going, right? So, well, this is the double top. I would at least expect us to head down to former support down here, 65.10. So this is that would be a very big move for NZD USD, but what's it look like on the hourly, right? And remember, we have the election coming up. There's a bunch of news in the market that could happen. So we could be, if the dollar strengthens significantly, we could be at that target pretty quickly. So if you found this video educational, entertaining, and educational, or if you'd like to have me as a mentor, I teach all these strategies in detail, beginner, intermediate, advanced. If you're ready to go out, get funded, have me as a mentor, be a part of our funding group of traders. So we have a group of traders that are all either funded, working on getting funded, or going through a challenge process right now. We all trade together. The group is sick. I call it the elite group. That's exactly what it is. So if you'd want to be a part of that group, have me mentor you as well as other professionals and work to get funded starting at 100K. Click the link below to get started. You will not regret it. It's your future that you would be investing in, and it's the best. I know for me, the best investments I've ever made are in myself as an entrepreneur, as a trader, and as a human being. You know what I mean? So click the link below to get started. You won't regret it, and I'll see you in the VIP chat, or maybe the Accelerator Elite group. So, all right, everybody, see you in there. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up, traders? So in this video, I have a great example for you of how to trade double tops and false breakouts. So essentially a pullback on a double top. So take some notes. This is going to be a great video for you, no matter if you're beginner, intermediate, advanced. So check it out. Stay tuned, and let's get right into the chart. So let me share my screen with you. And so I've been trading NZD USD all week here, and this is one of my favorite setups. Is just a good old-fashioned double top, but there's so many different things going on in this chart. I felt like I had to shoot a video on it. So you can see this is just a textbook double top here, and you can see we've pulled back